Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're going to have so much fun making these adorable paper plate animals. These are perfect for a rainy day or any time you want to get creative. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: paper plates, paint, paintbrushes, construction paper, glue, scissors, markers, and a few optional items like googly eyes and pipe cleaners. First, choose the animal you want to make. I'm going to start with a lion, so I'm painting my paper plate yellow. You can paint your plate any color you like. Once you're done painting, let it dry completely. While our plate is drying, let's make the lion's features. I'm cutting out 2 triangles for the ears, a circle for the nose, and strips of orange paper for the mane. Now that our plate is dry, it's time to put everything together. Glue the ears on top, the nose in the center, and arrange the strips of paper around the edge for the mane. For the finishing touches, I'm adding whiskers and a mouth with a black marker. You can also add googly eyes for a fun effect. And there you have it. Cute and easy paper plate animals. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments or on social media. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun craft ideas. See you next time.